Alright, hello everybody, welcome to whatever this is going to be. I'm not sure about it. This is my first video that I'm doing like this. I'm going to cook today, and I've been cooking a lot lately since it's quarantine time, and obviously a lot of people are doing the same thing, and I've been trying out some Chinese dishes because I really like Asian food, especially Chinese food, and especially Sichuan food because it's very spicy and well, I just love it. So yeah, recently I've been trying out some Chinese recipes that I found on the website ChinaSichuanFood.com. It's a great website. This is not obviously no paid ad or whatever, because I have literally no follower on YouTube, so it's not going to be something like that. I just love the website, and feel free to check that out because the recipes are great. Anyway, I'm doing a spicy potato salad, and I'm also doing some shacha beef. It's called shacha niuro, and yeah, it's basically beef that is spicy with a spicy sauce. I've never done it before. This is my first time. I'm not sure how to do the video, especially because I have no fancy camera equipment. We will see how it's going to end up and if it's going to be good or not. And I'm also doing some improv freestyle because I probably don't have all the ingredients, and maybe I'm doing some, well, we will see what I do. I was also planning to do something else in the meantime, like because I'm preparing some beef filling for the dumplings that I'm going to do tomorrow, so maybe I will show you that as well. I'm not sure about that. We will see, we will find out. And yeah, so let's try this out. Let's see what happens. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I will I will prepare everything, and I will cut and slice and all the stuff, and then afterwards we will meet here. The next thing that we are going to do is after we have this, we will put some water in it, and then we just let the slices soak in the water so we can remove the extra starch that is inside or coated. Well, we are going to do that, and then afterwards we're going to boil this. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare the scallions and the garlic, and then alright, so I decided to take wild garlic instead of garlic because it doesn't smell that much, and well, although it smells a bit like garlic and it also tastes like garlic-ish, it is not that strong in smell, and therefore we will use this as a substitute. As I said, this is more like a freestyle video, and so let's see what happens. As you can also see, or not, I'm not sure, no, I shouldn't do that, the potato slices are still soaked in water, and this will stay like this until I'm finished with this one, and I will also prepare a sauce for everything, so I can do that, and then I'm going to prepare the meat before I go to fry everything. So this will be just basic step by step and preparing everything in these fancy things, and then we will see. Where's the camera? Okay, so I've decided to redo this part of the video, so I just show you what I've got already. This is a mix of some Lao Ganma peanuts and chili oil. I don't have chili oil, so I just took this instead. I have some light soy sauce. I put some apple vinegar in it, and I'm supposed to, oh, I put sugar in it. Here we have sugar. I'm supposed to put some cumin. I don't know how to pronounce that in it, but I don't have it, so I will just go with something else, which is Garam Masala. Sorry for the pronunciation. I don't know if it's going to be good. I just try. So that's basically how I cook. I just try, and then we will see. And it also says a pinch of salt. I put some sesame oil in it as well. Forgot to mention that. Didn't have much of it, so let's see. I hope it's enough. And that's no pinch. That's quite a lot. This thing is bad. No, I'm not going to do this. This is bad. Luckily, I have this as well, so let's put some salt in it. All right, did that. And then here we go. Well, it smells good. It really smells good. So we have the wild garlic, and there is also the scallions inside. We have the soy sauce, chili mix, whatever here. I have the in water soaking potatoes. I think this is enough, but I just let it sink a bit and just soak a bit. That's fine. And now I'm going to do the preparations for my meat, and after that we will fry that. All right, so I love the fact that I told you I'm going to do the shata sauce or beef, but unfortunately it just figured out that I don't have the sauce for it, so it's impossible to do that. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to do some freestyle sauce with some ingredients that I have over here. I will show you this, and well, hopefully this is going to be good. If not, then well, okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do some freestyle sauce mixing, and I will use this as a base. This is Korean hot pepper paste, and I always have it in the fridge. As you can see, I use it. I love it. It's great. And I just put some of this over here. Oh, you cannot see anything, do you? Over here. And okay, let me put some more of it. Maybe I can fix this. Right, and this. So just put this over here, and I will add some sugar in it, because it's always a great combination to mix the spicy pepper paste with some sugar, with the sweetness of it. And then we also put some, right, let's mix this a bit. We put some soy sauce in it to have the savory flavor, salty flavor of the soy sauce. God, I love this. It's hard to mix, but I'm going to do it. What we also put inside is a bit of vinegar. I hope that this is enough. I will add some ginger. Let me stop over here. Okay, so what I have is this. This is some grated ginger. I think it's mainly for, I'm not sure if this is for sushi or something. I don't know. I bought it with my friend when we went for Japanese food in Düsseldorf. Hey Anya. And we bought it there. I'm not sure if this is the right purpose how to use it, but I don't care because I love it. I just love it. And then also I have some chili flakes, also Korean, although this is a Turkish package, but I refilled it with Korean chili flakes because I like this roasted flavor a bit more than the Turkish one, but that's just my personal taste. And then I mix it. Let's mix it. So what I did now is I added some more of sugar and a bit more soy sauce, and then I've got this over here, and it tastes good and it smells good. I like it. It's a bit spicy but also sweet. I think it's good. I really like it.
Alright guys, so what I'm doing now is I added some of the Sichuan pepper in this sauce, and it has to be like mixed with the beef, and therefore I have to cut the beef in very thin slices, and I'm going to do that now. This is what I'm doing right now, and I'm not sure if this is thin enough. I hope so. What I'm doing next is I will put the marinating sauce on top of the beef, and then I will just mix it well, and it has to sit for 15 minutes, and then afterwards it's going to get fried, I guess. I also have to, what it says, I have to prepare some Chinese broccoli. I'm not sure what Chinese broccoli is. What I have is, it's called mini Shanghai. It's like Pak Choi, but with green leaves, or it's all green, because the Pak Choi, it has the white, what is it called? This white thingy, and the mini Shanghai is all green, so that's the basic difference. I think, that's what I googled. I'm not sure about that either. And then I have to prepare that as well. So we are almost there. We're getting close to cooking and frying actually. What we've done already like so far is just preparations. Alright, I'm done with cutting and slicing. So this is my sauce, my marinating sauce. I said already that I've added some Sichuan pepper. I didn't ground it myself. I have this over here that I've bought from some Asian store, and now I am going to put, here's my beef, this is my marinating sauce. It's way too much, I don't care, I love the sauce. I just add it. Okay, gonna use it all. It's important. I love the sauce. I love the sauce. I love the spiciness. I love the sweetness. I love everything. Yeah, let's do this. As I've said already, this has to, I don't even know if you say it has to sit, because I think it sounds right. I'm not saying that my English is bad, but it's not that good. I'm not a native speaker, so hopefully you understand everything that I'm saying. If you don't understand, it's fine, because this is not my first language. It's actually Persian and German, because I'm from Iran. I was born in Iran in 1987 during the Iran-Iraq war, and I was almost 3 years old when my mom came to Germany with me. So both first languages, I would say, Persian and German. There we go. That's what it looks like. 15 minutes, we have to wait 15 minutes. So I will clean this mess up and then I will start cooking. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I will first of all get rid of this water, and then at the same time I'm I'm cooking, not trying, I'm actually cooking the mini Shanghai, Pak Choi Shanghai, whatever, and but it has to cook only for 1 or 2 minutes. So I will do this, and then afterwards, when I put out the Pak Choi, I will put the potatoes in it. I hope that the pot is not too small. I don't care, I just try, and then I will first fry in this pan my wild garlic and my scallions, and then when I put that out to mix it with my potatoes, afterwards I will fry my beef inside the same pan, so I don't have to clean that much. That's the plan. I'm not sure if it's going to work out. We will see. Well, you don't see anything because I'm not that well equipped, but I will show you. I will try, and then we will see and find out if it's going to be a mess or not. I will probably smell bad. I should change my clothes, but I'm too lazy. I'm not going to do that. That's quarantine lifestyle at the moment, so bye-bye. Okay, that's what it looks like. And whoops, oh my god, this is going to be a mess, and this is what it should look like. Super thin, but well, it doesn't work like that always, so that's what happens. I'm so excited, I'm so hungry, and I spent so much time for this, so hopefully it's going to be good. Okay, so the meat is almost ready, just a few minutes left. Perfect. Okay, so let's get this beauty out of the boiling water. That's what I'm doing now. Okay, and because I don't want to waste any water, I just put the potatoes inside of this, and hopefully that's enough space in the pot. If it's not, that's fine as well. Okay. As I said, I'm ready and willing to get this kitchen messy. It's fine. It needs a bit more water. That's fine as well. I'm gonna do it. What else should I do? Of course I'm going to do it. As you can see, I'm not really good at this. This is the first time. Okay, so I'm waiting for the pan to get hot. I set it on medium heat, and then I'm going to put the scallion and the wild garlic inside. I'm going to fry that and then put it outside of the pan and set it aside so I can mix it with the oil, the chili oil thingy that we've done in the first step. And and with the potatoes that will be cooked by then. And then when I put out the garlic and the scallions, I will put the beef inside. I mean, I know I already told you that, but this is what I'm going to do now. So this should be hot. There we go. Okay, it smells good. It smells good. I'm gonna show you this. Okay, this is it. So let's do this.
Alright, you know what, I'm going to be a bit more freestyle on this because it's very complicated to always look at the recipe and then try to do the same thing, especially because I didn't have the ingredients in the first place, so it's fine. What I'm going to do is I will put this garlic scallion mix and I will add it to this chili oil soy sauce and I will just add it to this, and then hopefully the fragrances, the combination is good. I'm not sure. I just do that, and then I can put the potatoes to the bowl again, back to the bowl again, and I can mix it, and maybe it's going to be good. I'm not sure about that. I don't know. Okay, here's the deal. At this point, I'm not sure what I'm doing, honestly, because what happened is I just read that in the recipe it says something with I have to put some cornstarch in the beef, or I have to put it somewhere, I'm not sure where, so I missed that point, apparently, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going with the flow now. I'm just in it, I'm just feeling it, so let's do this. We'll see where it gets me. I hope it's going to be good. It will be good, I'm sure about that. This is the best part. I love it. I just love it. So what did I say? I'm going freestyle now. So what I'm doing now is I will just put the Pak Choi to the meat because I think it's cooked now and this is going to be good as well. Just go with it. Do it. I love it. I'm not sure how many times I've said that I love it, but I really do. I mean it. So that's what it looks like now. I should clean my kitchen. I didn't. I don't care. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm just trying the potato just to check if it's ready or not. It's very hot. Not my best idea so far. I'm hungry. It's good. That's the thicker slice, so the thin ones have to be ready already. Oh, it's hot. So I put that out, put it into a bowl, and then mix it with the sauce, and then add the... Oh, I've already added the garlic, I said so. Okay, so this is the last step. I love how it smells. It's beautiful. I don't care about 4K high definition videos. I would kill for a technology where you can smell what somebody else is cooking, because this is so simple, but it's so good. It's just, I love this. I just love this. So I'm adding this right now. Just the last drops because I don't want to waste any because it's so good. And then I'll just mix it. Oh my god. I love it. Yeah, and then you just mix it. Okay, here we go. This is the potato salad, spicy potato salad. It looks like this. There's some of the peanut from the Lao Ganma, and this is the beef with the sauce and the Pak Choi, mini Shanghai, whatever. And yeah, that's it basically. All right. So in the beginning, I said that I'm going to make the preparations for my Chinese meat pie for tomorrow. But I decided not to do that because it was quite difficult to do this video already. So as I said, I'm a newbie, I've never done that before, and therefore I'm going to do my meat filling tonight. I'm going to do that now. I'm not going to do a video tutorial on that, but I will add the recipe or the link to the recipe in this information thingy. I hope that I will post this video in this week and I hope I won't forget that. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to cook this, and if you do, let me know. yeah, well, stay healthy, stay safe, and bye bye.